This is why you need the Subaru Sambar Dias truck in your life. It's small but mighty. Built for work and play, the Subaru Sambar Dias truck is your go-to choice for power in a compact package. Need to haul equipment for your business? No problem. Packing gear for a weekend adventure? Easy peasy. This little dynamo handles it all, without taking up much space. And let's talk efficiency. Save on fuel while relying on Subaru's legendary engineering to keep you going, job after job. Ready to explore more? Visit www.grandauto.jp and discover how the Sambar Dias truck can fit into your life. Trust us, this is the truck you didn't know you needed. Subaru Sambar Dias truck. Small size, big possibilities.